Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Anthony Vanelli, best known as the ex-boyfriend of Rilah Ferrer from TLC's Unexpected, was recently convicted for a brutal stabbing that occurred in 2023. The incident unfolded at the home of Anthony's mother, Rebecca, in Florida. During a heated argument, Anthony stabbed his mother's boyfriend multiple times in the back and chest. The victim sustained serious injuries but managed to seek help from Anthony's sisters, who attempted to stabilize his wounds until emergency responders arrived. This violent encounter began when Rebecca's boyfriend confronted Anthony about carrying a knife in the presence of children. Anthony allegedly stated he was carrying it for protection, but the argument quickly escalated. Anthony fled the scene after the attack, leaving the victim in critical condition. Law enforcement apprehended him shortly after, despite an initial attempt to evade capture. The stabbing is the latest in a series of legal issues for Anthony, whose criminal record includes domestic violence, aggravated assault, and probation violations. His first major brush with the law came in 2019 when he was arrested for domestic violence against Rilah Ferrer. In the years following, Anthony faced multiple charges, including tampering with an electronic monitoring device, threatening a woman with a knife, and resisting arrest. Anthony has also struggled with mental health issues, including diagnoses of bipolar disorder and schizophrenia, as confirmed by his family. These conditions have been a factor in some of his legal proceedings, including a period in 2022 when he was deemed incompetent to stand trial and was hospitalized for treatment. Rilah Ferrer, who shares a daughter with Anthony, has publicly distanced herself and her child from him. She has repeatedly stated that Anthony has not been involved in their daughter Maliah's life for years, and that she plans to maintain this distance permanently. Following his latest conviction, Rilah expressed relief, criticizing Anthony's behavior and affirming her decision to keep him away from her family. "He's a nut job," she wrote on social media, adding, "He will never be around my child." For the 2023 stabbing, Anthony was charged with aggravated battery with a deadly weapon and resisting arrest. The severity of his crimes, combined with his extensive criminal history, is expected to result in a significant prison sentence. The court proceedings will likely take into account his past offenses and mental health challenges when determining his punishment. This case underscores the turbulent lives of some former reality TV stars and the tragic consequences of unresolved issues such as mental illness and recurring criminal behavior. Rilah's determination to protect her child reflects the difficult choices faced by those impacted by domestic violence and instability.